Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Hello, Yeeps players. In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious burrito in Yeeps hide and seek. First, head to the cooking area. You'll need to gather a few essential items. Grab some flour to make your tortilla, and don't forget the milk, which you'll use to create some tasty cheese. These are your foundational ingredients for a perfect burrito. Now that you have your ingredients, let's prepare them. Place the flour into a cooking pot. It will transform into a fresh tortilla. In another pot, add the milk to create cheese. Simultaneously, cook your preferred protein, like raw beef or chicken, on a stove until it's ready. These three components are crucial for your burrito. With your tortilla, cheese, and cooked meat ready, it's time to assemble. Lay your warm tortilla flat. Carefully place the gooey cheese and your savory cooked meat, whether it's beef or chicken, right in the center. Make sure to distribute the fillings evenly, leaving about 1 inch of space around the edges for a clean roll. The final step is rolling your burrito to perfection. Fold the left and right sides of the tortilla inward by about 1 inch. Then, bring the bottom edge up and over your delicious fillings, rolling it forward firmly. This creates a compact, ready-to-eat burrito. Congratulations, you've successfully crafted a burrito in Yeeps hide and seek.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.